On 12th of November, around 3:30 p.m. early evening, Bamboo Suppliers Cum Growers Association called for an urgent press conference at Hanjanglangso PWD IB. Gobi Ningtikathar, President, and Sunil Terang, Secretary of Bamboo Suppliers Cum Growers Association, while addressing the media, informs that Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao district are blessed with uncountable quantity of bamboos. As the twin districts are equipped with various species of bamboos and their existence can be assumed since the time immemorial. Therefore, Forest Department has the legal rights govern over these resources. Also stated that all the bamboo suppliers or whoever is willing to supply bamboos are mandated to pay challan and acquire trade permit from the Forest Department, or else they would be debarred from supplying bamboos within or outside the district. This would help the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council in generating revenues through Forest Department.
Check a ponbom langji. Ansilitum chojor longji. Kachojor long sitame to a systematic longsi. Chojor pon pen lolliput elitum anso seki wangilang anitame. Choklem take anacortatum that develop on Tagipusi Matapon.
Gobi Ningtikathar, President, while addressing the media, informed that the association aims to plant more bamboos and multiply the production of it, and also aims to monitor the bamboo supplying business in Karbi Anglong to get the suitable amount of bamboos. Bamboo Suppliers Cum Growers Association must abide by the terms and conditions set by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. In the coming days, the association would soon set up their office at Hanjanglangso near the MS Terang refill station.
Non ke bangji Niphai 12 November 2022 Arni penke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ahin pen jitu check ka supply tu maphan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ahin pen ke pathik pon jitu chalan RTP alang ni tumang than pon vekna po sinil kumphan sonsibirta nang pilo pen order taminil tumana pilo.
Ananterang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live.